Okay, Chris, this is for you. It's connected up to that battery. The lead goes directly there. 6 metres, because that's the only band I've got an antenna on at the moment. I'm going to turn on the car. Oh, have a look. Noise is pretty stable. Now I'm going to turn off the radio. Now I'm going to take a separate power supply, which comes direct from the cigarette lighter. Plug it in. Turn it on. More noise there. So motor's still running. Turn it off. We're in park, just making sure. I ran through the gears just to check. Pull it out. Plug in the other power supply. Turn the radio on. Oh no, I'm deaf, I can't tell. But you tell me, Chris. Any difference in the noise? Turning off the air conditioning compressor. I think it looks better. Right, anyway, VK3 AWG, VK3 Kilo Tango Tango. And now the car's off, so that noise is not related to the car.